We are looking at how to pronounce this phrase. This is not a very nice phrase to say, but we're going to be looking at how to say it both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is normally said as shut up, shut up, shut up. In American English, however, this is normally pronounced as shut up in American English versus shut up in British English. Did you get it? Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? And I'll shut up very soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Yeah, I'll shut up now.